Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I have taken up this crazy challenge of completing my entire CAT syllabus in just 45 days, and this day marks day 2 of this journey. My morning started off with LRDI, where I was watching lectures of Venn diagram, a topic which really troubles me a lot. With taking regular short breaks in between, I continued with DILR till 4 p.m. By this time, my brain was honestly drained, and so I treated myself to a strong cup of coffee and a little snack break. Indeed, a much needed fuel to keep going. Once I was refreshed, I started with CFA. Right now, I am doing first chapter of equity. Post that, I started solving a few questions of SICI, and at 7 p.m., it was time to finally go out and enjoy with my friends. Today was also special because it was my very first day studying at a co working space. The vibe was amazing, but at the end, I was too tired to cover VARC. Though I tried pushing myself to revisit some lectures of VARC, as I have totally lost touch of the subject. My body gave up at 10:50 pm. I would love for you to join me in this challenge. Let me know what you studied today. See you all tomorrow for day 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.